dear students, welcome to the English class. In this class, I am going to teach you grammar modals. Do you know what are modals? You might have learned in your lower classes. Yes, it is one of the types in auxiliary verbs. So first of all, let me tell you the definition of modal. Modal auxiliary is a special auxiliary which is used to denote a particular mood or expression of the speaker, such as likelihood, ability, permission, request, suggestion, order, obligation, advice, etc. So, my dear students, with the help of the modal verbs, we can know the speaker's general intention, whether he has permission or whether he has request or whether he expresses ability, etc. And also we use modals to show if we believe something is certain, probable or possible. Next, we will see the list of modals. There are 9 modals and they are can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might and must. So these are called modals and these are used to express the speaker's general intention. Next, we will see how to use the modals in a correct manner, which means the structure of modals in a sentence. Look at the structure given. We should begin the sentence with the subject, followed by the subject, modal verb, then main verb, and then the remaining words in a sentence, which means object or complement or adjunct. For example, I can speak English. We shall meet next week. You should study well. They will do some exercise. He must attend the meeting. She could dance well. It might rain today. So, my dear students, the green color words are called modals and the main verbs are given in maroon. So this is the correct structure of using the modals. So modals should be used before the main verb. Next up, we will see some important points to be remembered before we use modals. First, modal verbs do not add s or es to the third person singular, which means normally we add s or es to the main verb in simple present tense if the subject is a third person singular. Here we cannot do so. For example, he can swim. This is the correct sentence. Of course, it is grammatically correct. Here, we cannot add s like he can't swim. It is wrong. Second point, they do not have infinitives or ing forms, which means modals cannot be formed infinitives or ing forms. Infinitives you know very well, 2 plus b1 form. Here we cannot add to before modal verb. And also we cannot have ing form along with the modal verb. For example, canning, to might. These are wrong. We cannot use modals like this. Next, there is no do or does in the question. For example, would you like to drink coffee? This is grammatically correct. But we cannot have this sentence like, do you would like to drink coffee? So we cannot have do or does in the question. Fourth point, there is no don't or doesn't in the negative. For example, they can't be serious. So this cannot be written as they don't can be serious. It is wrong. Okay students, now you have learned thoroughly what are modals. Modals are used to indicate the speaker's general intention, which means we can know the mindset of the speaker with the help of the modals. And the modals should be used before the main verb. And also, it cannot add s or es form to it. And there is no do or does in the question, and there is no don't or doesn't in the negative, and there is no infinitive and ing form to the modals. Okay students, with this I wind up this class, and we will see the usages of modals in the next class. Thank you.